What's the current state of the art, do you think, with technology being applied to buildings to help them have better energy control, better IAQ, better IAQ? How would you summarize like the current situation? Because a lot of technology, a lot of software, it's like the Wild West. There's 100 different things going on at the same time. Right?
There's the good and there's the bad, right? I think having technology and innovation is amazing because suddenly we were able to do things we were not able to do before. And we're able to follow this paradigm shift in how we do things and less cost and more like, benefit to cost ratio in applying technology, whether it's measurement, whether it's an actual product, and really like get to think from the early design stages through commissioning, through installation, operation, what's the best way, for example, to run a building and how can we explore the different kind of elements in our hand. That's a good part. The not so good part is that sometimes there are solutions that promise that if you use them, you're going to get to an output, but you don't get to the output. For example, continuous sensors today, they have a great use. Some of them, they meet the accuracy resolution that we need in buildings. They have a great use, but not the use that when you see on a dashboard, green, orange, and red. They're not going to tell you about the health of the people. It's just a fact because they cannot measure the things that can inform health. They can measure some proxy, for example, if the building is sufficiently ventilated, some maybe relative value of where the building was and where the building is, but we're not there yet.